Anyway, going into the performance pack, I want to stress because we actually had an event this weekend. Duquesne and I did. We went to an equine event, and the two, I think, most sold products were actually Crush and Sculpt. Krill oil too, not gonna lie, but it was surprising. Everyone loves Zero One anyway, but we sold a lot of Crush and Sculpt because when you talk about them together, they really do tie in hand. But to go down the list, um, Crush is an essential amino acid product, meaning you need it in your body. To break down what the difference is between essential amino acids, EAAs, and BCAs, branched chain amino acids, understand that your body can produce branched chain amino acids, but you have to have EAAs, essential amino acids, in your diet, meaning you have to eat it through either meats or some kind of protein sources or put it into supplementary form, aka Crush. But why is that important? That's important because Crush and the amino acids are what helps your body processes. Sorry, I'm reading Duquesne's screen as I'm going through this. So it helps your body's processes as it has to intake proteins and amino acids to recover your body. Uh, Three key ones, if you want to scroll down very slightly, it's L-leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Those three ingredients are what you always want to look for. You are all over the place. Anyway, those my goodness, those ingredients are the ones that you want to make sure that you have in your supplement if you're going to be working out or just any kind of activity for recovery. The thing that makes Crush separate from any other ingredient, which I can't even read now, but it has HMB in it, and I'm just going to keep going. Don't worry, Duquesne. But it has HMB in it, which is the chemical in the body that allows for protein synthesis. So imagine the way Dr. Ram thinks. That's probably better. Imagine the way Dr. Ram thinks and how she puts ingredients into formulations that tie off each other. We have seven of the nine essential amino acids in the product. Those amino acids also use the chemical HMB to go through the body and process, which is also in the product. So it's making it more bioavailable and usable for the overall use. That's crazy. And there's only been maybe one or two other products on the market that I've seen have that same combination. Most of the time, you have to buy H&B as a separate product from your amino acids. Moving down the list, something that's pretty incredible is the combination of milk thistle seed and the grape seed extract and the juniper berry. Those three contain the histidine and part of the histidine and oxidative stress supporters, which is one of the other essential amino acids. So it kind of rounds the product together and it allows for oxidative stress support. Roland, that's probably pretty tough to translate, but oxidative stress is the stress that your body takes in every day. As we age, as humans grow, your body has oxidative stress that wears it down and makes it very hard for recovery. So that is an incredible thing that is needed all throughout life. You don't need that for working out. It helps, but that's something that you just need for recovery in general. The last two things is glutathione and tetrasod or marine-based phytoplankton. Marine-based phytoplankton is probably the coolest one that I had to research outside and wonder why it was in the product. So marine-based phytoplankton, the way I describe it to people in a very easy way, think about when you do a sprint, how fast can your body recover to allow you to do that sprint again? How fast after you walk up the stairs can you catch your breath and walk up the stairs again? That is what recovers that process because it helps with the ATP recovery in your body. It allows your body to produce more ATP faster, and so it increases what I call the in-between set recoveries. Now, that's just Crush. Crush as a whole is not just for working out. You don't have to be me going to the gym all the time um, to experience this. That's why I want to use the stairs as an example. I've had a lot of people come to me and say, well, I'm short of breath, or I get lightheaded when I stand up, or if I walk too far, I feel faint. That's because your body doesn't have the things in it to perform the way it needs to perform. Your body's not able to recover the way it should recover, and you're not able to utilize your energy the way you should. So think about what I just said there and think about what Sculpt can do. So Sculpt, I'm going to botch the words because they're tough to say, but Sculpt's best three ingredients in my mind are the Gymnome sylvestre, the Panax, and the astragalus powder. It also has valerian root and white kidney bean we'll talk about in a second. But those three ingredients together, um, they help with your glycogen storages and your insulin management. Now, to break down what that is, when you eat carbs, your body takes those carbs and it goes through a process called glycolysis. It uses those carbs in the Krebs cycle to push out energy. Now, if your body's using that correctly, you should use up all of your storages, and that way you have pure energy going out into muscular output. What most people have, though, is they have glycogen stored, and basically your body holds on to that, and it doesn't utilize it properly. And what Sculpt really does in a good fashion, it allows your body to utilize its actual energy the way it's supposed to. It utilizes its insulin, it utilizes its glucose to be able to perform at the highest level. Now, imagine if your body, when you take in calories, and they're able to correctly utilize those calories and expend them the way it's supposed to. That's the basis of what Sculpt is. And that's why I hate when people say it's a weight loss supplement, because it's not a weight loss supplement, it's a weight management supplement. I take it and I don't ever want to, I have body dysmorphia really bad. I don't ever want to lose weight at all. So I still take it though, and I'm still able to do my process that I'm able to do. Now, it does have valerian root, which helps with blood pressure. It helps with recovery, and it has white kidney bean, which helps curb your carb appetite. So that's where a bit of the weight management help comes in from. But when you think about the ATP effect of the marine-based phytoplankton, the recovery aspect of crush, and how Sculpt allows your body to utilize its actual glycogen storages, that's why those two go together so well. And that's why I always think that the best time to take Crush, Sculpt, and zero in, if you're going to work out or you're going to do any kind of process that's like exerting energy, take them together about 20 to 30 minutes before your exercise. Um, we know zeroing quite a bit, but I will
I'm
just
gonna,
remind.
and Dylan, real quick, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna ask targeted questions to help the audience.
Go ahead.
But could you give a quick, maybe 3 to 5 situations where this performance pack would be useful for people? And so I think this will help Dylan because a lot of people think the performance pack is only for those who are working out. But could you give us like 3 or 4 situations or examples of why this pack is so great just for the everyday person?
Yeah,
I know I see Claire on my screen, and I know Claire takes some of these products and has great results with them. And so I don't want everybody to think they need to be a 29-year-old, 6'4", 230-pound Dylan to get use
six
out of these
6'3". I'm
products.
not 6'4". Come on, stop pouting me up, guys. Anyway, yeah, so obviously the easiest one to say is lifting weights or exercise, but understand that these are natural ingredients. It's not like you're taking, synthetic peptides and injecting them to your body, and it's not like some serious people who have to do this. This is for everyday lifestyle too. The number one thing I want to point out, if you have had surgery or if you've had some kind of injury in the past that's been harming or like it's painful, that's a huge thing that people don't understand how amino acids affect the body's recovery. It's not just recovery in working out. Yeah, you can recover in working out, but if your body is hurting naturally, if you have back pain, if you had a surgery, like I said, that's one aspect that it's huge to get back into it, and especially Sculpt and Crush together because it helps your body get back to an equilibrium. Next, I honestly think that people kind of misjudge how much effort it takes to do daily activities and how I want to say, like, if you do, in fact, get lightheaded walking upstairs, if you feel like you're out of breath by doing any kind of physical activity, if going to the grocery store seems to be a burden for you, that means your body's not working properly. And that means you need to be able to have the things that are in these products to work better and actually go through a normal cadence. Um, And I think that everyone here is active. And I don't think people fully understand the combination effect that actually involves Crush and Sculpt along with Zero In. Everyone knows that they feel energized and they feel the dopamine effect of Zero In. We all know that's true. But people don't understand that the crush and sculpt combination together has a similar effect after you've taken it for a while. It will help your natural energy. It'll make you feel more comfortable being walking around daily. So I don't think there's like examples up to five, but I think it's just daily life recovery. Uh, and I know there's a lot of people in the chat right now, so I'm not looking at that.
Yeah, no, I have the chat questions. And so maybe just finish out with zero in,
Yeah.
and then how, all three of them together react so well. But just as a heads up, everybody, I did post recordings as well that we have in English, German, and French that you can send out to people or that you all can watch yourself in your free time, just in case you want to kind of have a refresh of what Dylan covered. So we did have a video clip recorded, and translated as well. But Dylan, I'll let you finish off with zero in. And then I think we can announce the special that we have going on and then get into questions.
Questions. Perfect. Okay, so I do want to point out we all know what Zero In does. It's been one of our top products for the past, well, I guess all 6 years. Zero In, if you go down the list of ingredients, it does have anhydrous caffeine, so it gives you a bit of energy. Our caffeine is naturally sourced from our coffee, so it's not synthetic. That's one of the things that people don't fully understand is Monsters and Red Bulls, they're loaded with synthetic caffeines, and whenever you get tunnel vision or like a beating racing heart, that's not natural caffeine. That's the caffeine from synthetic caffeines. So we're different in that regard. We have the most bioavailable form of vitamin D, vitamin D3. We have L-theanine and L-tyrosine. Those two are the way to describe it best is L-dopa peptides, and those peptides help produce dopamine and serotonin. We have velvet bean seed, which is actually an L-dopa precursor, which allows for the body to ingest the L-tyrosine and L-theanine. So those three work similarly to how HMB works with the amino acids. They're all in conjunction. Dr. Ron makes these products work together for a reason. And then going off that, we have pine bark, which is great for cognitive focus. And to round it off, we have turmeric, which is great for anti-inflammation. So all those ingredients in Zero In give you natural energy, natural focus, and it doesn't have the crash effect. Um, and actually, I'm gonna go to the science corner a little bit more. The reason people have crashes is because when they're tired, they have a chemical called adenosine. Adenosine is the chemical in the brain that says, I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I want to lay down, I want to relax. Caffeine caps that off, but it doesn't let it release. So caffeine makes you feel more awake. What some caffeines do, though, it stops the production of dopamine. So as it's capping off the adenosine, you're feeling more awake. But as soon as the caffeine wears off, all the adenosine's here and it's releasing, making you crash. But there's no dopamine to counteract that. Our product's different because while it makes you feel more awake, it gives you the dopamine and serotonin. It allows you to feel awake. And then once the caffeine wears off, you don't feel down and depressed. You just feel in a good manner. Like you don't feel different. So I'm sure people experience that, but I want to describe how that's an amazing effect.
And so, Dylan, just to kind of summarize everything before we announce the special that we're running today, it kind of sounds like when you're looking at the performance pack, it is hitting three different areas that are important when you are doing any sort of performance or fitness, but also three different areas whenever you're just living your everyday life and being any sort of active. And
Yeah,
so, could you quickly, with like 1 to 2 points, talk about how each of them is functioning separately but together for the overall health
yeah.
of activity?
Well, so one thing I want to point out when it says performance pack, a lot of people misguide that and say, oh, I have to be performing or doing some kind of performance of like activity or athleticism. No, when we say performance pack, it means your body's performance. It's increasing your body's internal performance to like to go above and beyond what you're normally doing.